How's it going? It's Rocky. Welcome to Power Hour. It's Tuesday, March 16th. It's about 12:10 p.m. Pacific Coast. I just entered a trade and I wanted to be able to show you how I normally exit a trade. But before I go through that, just wanted to share what you're seeing on the left here are time-based chart, which are 5-minute candles. And on the right here is a tick-based chart, which is 512 ticks. We are long at 32,730, and we are trading 2 contracts of the E-mini for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So the reason why I entered this trade, I'm going to zoom in a bit on this to explain it to you. So basically the crossover occurred at 11:50 a.m. Which gives it a bullish signal, but I didn't enter right away because both lines are below the zero line. However, if you look on the right, I had more confidence because both lines are above the zero line. And then just looking at the candles, it was a little choppy here entering into power hour, but at the time of my entry, it looked like a very bullish candle here. So I think we'll be a bit patient here and see where it brings us. Haven't done a live video in a while, but I just thought I'd do one so I can show you exactly how we try to exit our trades now. So for the day, including some trading that I did last night, we are at $645 or so. And what's open, this is the number you should pay attention to. This is what's open from the 2 contracts that we have. So for an E-mini, one contract is equal to $5. So with the 2 contracts that we have, that equates to $10. So I do have this visual on the right for the PL open to give you an idea how much we're making here and what our potential is. And our goal really is to make at least $100 or 10 points on this trade itself. So we'll stay patient. This took a lot longer than I thought it would. A bit of a drawdown there, but let's see where it brings us. I'll come back when we're ready for time to place our OCO for the exit. It's now about 12:16 p.m. in the power hour. We've been on the trade for almost 10 minutes. We entered at about 12:07. Like what I mentioned, our average is 32,730, denoted by this horizontal white line here. So pay attention to PL open, and that's how much we're making so far. So we're at $170, and you can see I have an alert at 32,750. So that's 20 ticks or 20 points above our entry, and that's normally when I like to pay attention or place the OCO itself. And something I do to make it easier to do that is there's what you call templates. I have a bunch of different templates that I use here. But what we're going to use here is an OCO with a 7 ticks trail stop behind that. So what that looks like is right here. So essentially, if you can see, there's a limit on the top, so I can adjust that however high I want it to. And on the bottom is the trail stop. So basically where it stops is the money that we're guaranteeing ourselves. So I'm just waiting for that to be at least $100. And once it's at least $100, then we hit our goal, and anything above that would be gravy. So there you go. We're above 10, and we're now placing the OCO. And then basically at this point, this is where I adjust it. So as we grow a little more, then I'll adjust that trailing stop by a little bit more, and I would adjust the limit also. So for that limit, let's bring it down a little so we give it a chance to actually hit it. So but right now it looks like we might get stopped out, but the guarantee says $110. There you go. So we made $110 in that trade. That took about 10 minutes. Quite happy with that. What I try to do again is like risk management and stress-free trading. So we try not to do to the moon type trades. It's a lot more work, but the little gains add up. And so far for the day, we are up $775. Which is quite great. That includes the trading that we did with Globex last night. So basically the PL day shows anything you made after 3 p.m. Pacific from the day previous until 10 p.m. today Pacific time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that content. Please check out my other content if you are interested. The strategy that I use is on the description below. Essentially, I'm doing this just for entertainment and to basically learn from the community, and also it's a way for me to be accountable by being able to speak about it, and it makes me a better trader. But yep, hope to see you next time. Please subscribe and like the content if you learned something. If not, please give me another chance, and hopefully my future content will teach you something. All right, I'll see you on the next one.